So guys, let's understand one more interesting question asked in Netflix and Matic, okay? Because this question is exactly related to that. First, detect the first and last purchase date. Okay, so by the question you can understand. So detect first and last purchase date of customer. The marketing team wants to know the first and last purchase dates for every customer to measure customer life cycle. Okay, this is for how much customer order in a month, or you can say like उसका टेन्योर क्या है ऑर्डर करने का, ठीक है, कि कितने टाइम के बीच में ऑर्डर कर सकता है, ऑर्डर करता है, ठीक है। सो व्हाट यू नीड टू डू इज राइट एन एसक्यूएल क्वेरी टू डिस्प्ले कस्टमर आईडी, फर्स्ट परचेज डेट, लास्ट परचेज डेट, total number of orders. Okay, this you need to show. So here you can see this is order table, and order table we have order ID, order date, customer ID, and order amount. Okay, in an example output you can see customer ID, first purchase date, last purchase date, and total orders. Okay, so I think by the first and last purchase date you will definitely understand this what we need to use here. Okay, so let's see this. First, suppose we need a first purchase date. So first purchase date mean, suppose this is table. Okay, what need to suppose this is a table only. Okay, so here you can see we have order date. So what is the minimum date of this order is by particular customer. So the first date of order is the min order date. So we have aggregate function in our SQL which is min order and max order, right? Sorry, min and max. These functions we have. So we can easily check, or you can say we can easily write a query. I will write it for you. Suppose select first min of order date, right? Order date here, and second max order date, OD. Okay, and you can take it as this is minimum first order date. That's it. Yeah, this is first purchase date, first date. Okay, and the max mean this is the last date. Okay, and you need a total order also. So need to, you can say count, not sum. You can count star of course, because order ID and all the unique column by the customer. Okay, star, just simple star you can add as the column name, you can mention order ID or star anything as total order. Okay, from of course our order table, and you need to group by, because we need an answer as we need an answer grouping by customer. We need answer for each customer, so we need to use group by for customers. Very easy. Okay, so this is a solution, actually solution only. You can easily try, or you can easily go to solution tab. You can copy this. You can see I have mentioned the same solution and just paste it here. Okay, and you can easily run this. Okay, so you can see query executed success. So guys, if you want to solve this question, as you can see here, you can go to playground.tritype.com. I will show you that. Okay, so you can solve many of big companies, farm companies, or big four companies question there, and you can easily solve this and somebody will answer and check your totals. Okay.